Hey y'all, I'm Letitia, an entrepreneur, stocks, and crypto investor. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I'll be talking about all things in running a business. The goal of my channel is to help others learn while I learn, as I am constantly growing and enhancing my skills. I never claim to know everything about a particular subject or field, but I do believe knowledge is power and we should never put that away. I want to use this platform to share my knowledge with you with hopes that it may help you, your family, or loved ones. If you love my content, I ask you to stay on this journey with me simply by subscribing and sharing. Our first topic that I'm going to be talking about is how to start a business. First step is figuring out what product or service you're going to sell. Secondly, get a business name. You want to come up with like 3 names. Reason being, if upon searching your state Secretary of State website, your first choice is already taken by someone else, you have 2 other choices. Once business name is available for use, meaning not taken by someone else, and you fully made up your mind on that business name, then you're going to register your business. After, you want to decide upon the business type, whether it's a LLC, S corporation, or a C corporation. What is an LLC? The abbreviation LLC stands for Limited Liability Company. LLC limits your personal liability and legally separates you from your business. It also offers liability protection and potential tax savings that aren't available to sole proprietorship. What is an S Corp? S Corp stands for Subchapter Corporation. Subchapter Corporation is usually associated with small businesses. S Corp status effectively gives a business regular benefits of incorporation while enjoying the tax-exempt privileges of a partnership. Is designed to avoid the double taxation drawbacks of regular C Corp. S Corp allows profits and some losses to be passed through directly to owners' personal income without ever being subject to corporate tax rates. What is a C Corp? C Corp stands for C Corporation. That is the most common type of corporation, essentially the default variety. C corporations have no major restrictions on who can own shares, meaning other businesses and entities, both in and outside the United States, can have ownership. There you go, I just described all 3 business entities. Now you want to decide upon which business type that best fits your needs. Then get your business registered with the Secretary of State for whichever state business will be located in and pay registration fee. Then you want to get an EIN number. You can get this simply by going to the irs.gov website. An EIN is a unique 9-digit number that identifies your business for tax purposes. It's similar to a social security number, but it's meant for business-related items only. As a business owner, you'll need an EIN to open a business bank account, apply for business license, and file your tax. You're going to need a business email address. You can get your business email address on zuhumail.com, which I'm familiar with. Get a business address and get a business telephone number. Get yourself a domain and hosting. For example, you have bluehost.com, godaddy.com, and domain.com. These are quite a few I'm familiar with. Also, create and set up a business website. This could take a couple of hours if you want to do it by yourself. However, if you do not want to go through all that by yourself, you could pay someone you trust to do it for you. Every state is different. Some states is a little bit slower than some, so there is a delay and you have to wait a few days or so. Once all of this is done, there you go, you have your business established. Once again, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it's very useful for you. If you enjoy this content and would like to be a part of our family and to see more educational content like these in the future, go ahead and turn on your bell notifications to be notified. I hope to see you all in my next one, and thank you so much for watching.